goodness! What a goal that is! Well, in truth,
he's got another! Fantastic!
Se viene Messi, il cobro!
Messi, who's going to take charge? It is Messi! It's 1-1! Two brilliant free kicks in the opening 7 minutes! What a response from Lewis! Whipped in by Messi! Oh! Off the foot of Messi to the back net and Barca's in front again!
Where the insane becomes the routine with this man. He is nothing less.
Here's Messi. Messi goes for it! Oh my goodness! What a goal that is! Well, in truth, Barcelona have done very, very little in this first half, but Leo Messi scores to make it 2.
Messi takes it.
It's Messi! A masterpiece from Messi!
Wonderful goal by Lionel Messi.
Alvarez also itching to have a go at this. It's Messi! He's got another! Fantastic! Lionel Messi with his second free kick.
Als dit valt te verdedigen.
Nee! Oh! Goal! Hoe lang staat hij erin? Hij heeft geen één bal geraakt. Niks. En de eerste bal die hij raakt, die schiet hij nog mooier zijn.
Messi con la altura, no ve a Messi, Esteban vuela, no es suficiente, gol, marca Messi, gran gol de Messi, 23 de partido, por mucho que voló Esteban, no llegó a la pelota, el segundo del Barça con la rúbrica de Lionel Messi.
La ventaja.